How to tip your Shipt shopper after delivery. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you and show you exactly how to do so to add or change your tip after delivery in under 30 seconds. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can either open up the application or go to shipt.com and we can go to our recent orders. In order to view it up, we can look out for this orders option here, or in the application we also have menu. We can click on it, select the option of orders from the menu that appears and go ahead and click on it. And that will open up the order space here. Now from the specific location, we can find the order that was delivered and go ahead and tap on it. And there we can easily find an option that says tip your shopper or add tip and tap on it. And there we can choose a present amount or enter a custom tip and confirm it up and your shopper gets the tip. Apart from that, while checking out also we can do it. We then just go over, look out for cart option in the top right and click on it. Go to checkout. Within checkout also go ahead and view the section for tipping. For that, in this order summary section, sometimes we should be finding an option to tip the delivery. So I can just go over and tip them. Usually we get that option right after the delivery. If you skipped tipping at the checkout, there is a limited time window to change or adjust the tip after the delivery. So once the window closes, the tip usually becomes final. If your shopper has went above and beyond, you can consider increasing the tip. And rating plus tipping helps good shoppers get more orders. You can just go over and do so, and that way you can add up a tip using your Shipt application or the website. Yeah, that's it everybody. You may follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.